Is your home covered in stubborn stains that won't go away? From the toilet to your favorite pan? Stop buying expensive chemicals. The ultimate cleaning power is sitting right in your cabinet.
We're creating a DIY magic solution. First, 1 tablespoon of regular white toothpaste. Now, add half a cup of Coca-Cola. Watch that powerful fizz activate the cleaning agents.
Mix it thoroughly until it's smooth. This combination cuts through grease and limescale like magic.
Transfer your homemade cleaner into a spray bottle. Safe, cheap, and unbelievably effective. Test 1. The bathroom. Spray it on those limescale stains in the toilet. Scrub gently.
And flush. Look at that shine. Like a brand new toilet, with almost no effort.
Rinse and marvel. From hopelessly burnt to sparkling shiny. Unbelievable.
Try this ultimate DIY hack today. Save money, clean faster. Like and subscribe for more amazing home hacks.